Yeah.
Welcome to another exciting episode of Vibes on the Street with me, AMW Frank.
Shut up, bro. Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
We are at the beach, as you can see. We are at the beach today, and our question is very simple. Mouth odor, body odor, and snoring. Which one can you cope with if your partner happens to have one? Mouth odor, body odor, and snoring. Which one can you cope with if your partner happens to have one? This is the question we are asking on the street. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell so that anytime we drop a brand new video, you get it straight away on your phone. Don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section below. We know they're here. Yeah, see, let's go. Okay, boss, my name is AMW Frank. What be your name? Stanley.
Yeah.
I beg, today we ask a very simple question. Okay, we get body odor, snoring, then mouth odor. If your partner get any of this, we want you to feel cook plus. Then why?
Body odor.
Yeah.
Mouth
odor. Mouth odor, then snoring.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I go choose snoring.
Why you go choose snoring?
If you say body odor, you come out, me that come out. You go be like disgrace give me. Wait the mouth to check like you speak to some bro. You go feel cause problem with the bar.
Yeah.
But snoring, if you meet down for the bed. Top. No bro go no. So I go choose that one.
I dey like your voice. I dey like Charlie. Thanks, man. Hello, sweetie.
Yeah.
My name is AMW Frank. What's your name?
Okay, I'm AJ.
Sorry?
AJ.
AJ. So, AJ, we are asking a very simple question today. We have snoring, body odor, and mouth odor. Which one can you cope with if your partner happens to have one?
Okay, then I'll go for the snoring because the body odor is one of the turn-offs for me. And then the mouth odor, hey, come on, who would like to kiss a guy like that? So I would go for the snoring rather, right?
Oh, okay. Thank you very much for speaking to us.
Yeah, baby.
Hi, big man, what's up?
Yeah, I did, my guy.
My name is AMW Frank. What be your name?
Nana Kwame.
Nana Kwame. So we dey ask a very simple question. Body odor, mouth odor, then snoring. We want you to feel cool plus if your partner get one.
I will pick up plus the snoring. No?
Why you go for snoring?
Because the body odor and the mouth odor, Charlie, we bad. So I think the snoring good give me.
So you say you prefer the snoring?
If you so, yeah.
All right, Charlie. Thanks, big man.
You're welcome.
So, sweetheart, what's up?
Cool.
My name is AMW Frank. What's your name?
I'm Priscilla.
Priscilla. I like your name.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're asking a very simple question today. Body odor, mouth odor, then snoring. If your partner happens to have one, which one can you cope with?
None.
Why?
I don't want any.
Why?
It's not a good thing. I don't want any. Body odor. I can't
Mouth
stand
odor.
it. I can't stand it.
How about the mouth odor?
Oh no, it's not a good thing.
Do you see me fucking laughing, my nigga? I ain't fucking.
And the snoring too.
Oh,
So what are you going to do if the guy you love has one of these?
Do you see me fucking laughing, my nigga? I ain't fucking laughing.
we look for medicine.
Medicine.
Yes.
So it means you actually treat it, right?
Yes.
So basically, let's say you are not able to treat it. You are not able to treat it. And then you have to cope with one of these. Which one will you go
Then the snoring.
You're going for the snoring. Any reason?
The snoring is okay. No one would know.
No one will know.
No.
So basically, you're going for the snoring. I thank you for speaking to us.
You're welcome.
Yeah, big man, what's up? My name is AMW Frank. What's your name?
I'm Kofi Ben.
Kofi Ben.
Sure.
Sorry?
Yeah, Kofi Ben.
Kofi Ben. So Kofi Ben, today we ask simple question. I beg you to speak out loud. We ask simple question. Body odor, mouth odor, then snoring. If your partner get any of this, we want we want you go love cool plus. Mouth odor, body odor, then snoring. We want you go love cool plus.
I would choose snoring.
Snoring. Why you go choose snoring?
The way we get more sense, yeah, we are not going to kiss you. We the body odor too, Charlie. If you you want come out you are Charlie, you say it's smelling good. Body odor day and yeah. But the snoring, they say we don't tempt the order right. So now idea cool. I will choose that one.
So you go in for the snoring.
Yeah, for the snoring.
Hey, big man, what's up?
Charlie, everything cool.
My name is BMW Frank. What's your name?
It is Wabi the key.
Okay, so we dey ask simple question: mouth odor, body odor, then snoring. We want you go cook plus if your partner get some.
Me like this, I bed. So if you don't snore, you know they concern you, man. You go kiss you, you go take your mouth back and all. Hey, bath house, bro. Appetite never go.
God have mercy upon us.
It's in the they ain't a whole couple.
Oh, Charlie, I will go. Like the snoring sound better, cause Charlie, I bed.
So me say they going for snoring, right?
Now, yeah, at least, Charlie.
No. You, I they want make you.
The snoring sound better, bro. So, do they live,
Oh, so you they go for snoring or snoring better?
Snoring better pass.
So me say, you know, we say they pick the snoring, but it better.
Like at least a good pass.
So in a nutshell, you know they pick any crowd, but you would prefer say you will go in for the snoring.
Like if my father the snoring, yeah, I could take snoring. But I beg a paper, my father meet a woman for a home more fun.
Thanks, big man. So I believe you enjoyed today's episode of Vibes on the Street with me, EMW Frank. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell, so anytime we drop a brand new video, you get it straight away on your phone. Catch you again in our next episode. We know they here. Yeah, say I'm out.